Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Shopify. Now, there are a lot of different things you can do, but I'll tell you some of the basics. So, if you go to your orders, here you will see all of your orders for your stores, fulfilled, unfulfilled, partially fulfilled, and etc. You can see like last 7 days, 30 days, how many orders you have gotten, etc. If you go to the products, here you can add your products, you can do more actions, you can export or import some things. If you want to add product, you would go to the top right, click add product, add a title, description, add images, pricing, and etc. Now, of course, there are some other things like you can add specific collections, you can do like inventory checks or just add new inventory, etc. Under customers, you will see everybody who has bought from you and you can see some of their data. Analytics basically shows you like how many sales you've gotten by channel, was it like Facebook, Instagram, Google, etc. Online store sessions, store checkout, total orders, blah, blah, blah. Marketing just tells you more about how your ads are performing and how it's doing overall. Under discounts, you create discount codes. So you have like amount of products, buy X, get Y, amount of order, and free shipping. And those are like some of the basics when it comes to using Shopify. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Also, if you want to get Shopify for free for 3 days, and then you only pay $1 your first month, click the link in the description.